This is a tutorial for your first quartus project for a Intel FPGA board. For example, I have the Cyclone 10 LP evaluation kit, but it's for any other ones in that family, not like just Intel. Okay, so first you search up Intel Quartus Prime download. There's a version you pay for, but the Lite is the free one. And you go here, the first link, download center, and you install Quartus Prime Lite through here. Just leave everything as it is and download here. And then when you download it, so it'll take you to here, yes, and it'll take you to this, right? Leave everything checked. Some stuff you don't need. I unchecked one, but just install everything. It's pretty short installation. Okay, I already have it installed. So once you finish installing it, it'll take you to a new project wizard that looks like this. So you're just gonna press next, and then it has an auto puts a directory here, which is where you installed it to. But I want mine to be in the documents, and that's generally you want your stuff to be in documents. So go to documents. Okay, and I'm gonna create a new folder called Quartus Projects. Okay, inside the folder I'm gonna create a new one called First Project. Okay, select. So it will put the project. This will make it the directory. Okay, I'll just call it First Project. You can make the name anything. Don't worry about the top level design entity. We'll do that. Okay, empty project. Then, since this is the first one, we're not going to be adding any files. So just press next. And then here, you're going to first find the family your board is in. Mine is a Cyclone 10 LP. And then on the board, on the big chip, you can see a string of numbers and letters underneath the family name. Mine is 10 C0 25 Y U 256 7. Okay, yeah, this one. So you would find your own. You type in your own. For example, you go to Cyclone 5 or something. Okay. This, leave everything as it is. Finish. Yes, you press yes here. Alright. Now here, and you're going to click create a new, and then you're going to go scroll here, Verilog HDL file. Okay, here I already have a code copied, and this is basically, so depending on what type of board you have, you'll have different amount of LEDs, okay, but this will work for all. This is a general script, so let's just do the first one. So let's go here. Okay. Alright. So the first thing you're going to want to do is match this module with your file name. So I'll do Verilog 3. Okay. And then you would just define a input wire called a clock. That would be your clock, and then an output wire, which is your your LED. Okay, and then in this we're making a counter. Okay, and begin. Okay, just copy this code, and then assign the LED to this count. Okay, 24. This is basically how fast the light is gonna flash. Alright. Then you're gonna save this in your Verilog 3. Okay. So now, after you save that, you're gonna go to Files. Okay, first press Analyze and synthesize it. This is like in different ID, it's like a verifying. Okay, look, we have error. Oh, okay, there's a comma here. There shouldn't be a comma there. Analyze and synthesize again. Okay, so you're gonna wait for this 4% here to finish, and then you're gonna go. What's wrong? Top level. Oh, okay. Before you analyze and synthesize it, very important step is to click it on Files. So normally you're in Hierarchy. Click it in Files, and then set it as the top level entity, and then you can analyze and synthesize it. Okay, there we go. It's all good. Next, you can close that. Next, before you compile it, you're gonna go to Assignments, and then Pin Planner. All right. So on your board, it will be different, but you can search up a guide for a pin planning guide for your board. So for example, I would search up Cyclone, then I'll be EK, or just user guide. Search up your board and then your user guide. And here it'll give me this. And then you're gonna want to find your, just type that in. Oh, I know where it is. Okay, you're here. So for example, my LED, okay, our LED 0 is L14. So I would go here and put the location, click it, and then you find L, which is here, and you find L14, which is this one. Okay, I guess you have to type pin, all caps, underscore L14. Okay, leave everything else same. And then for the clock, you can go here to find your clock tree. I know, okay, you will be able to find yours, but mine, I know for instance, it's this one, E1. Okay, now what you want to do now is keep it all the same, okay, and press and just close it. You don't have to do anything else, just close it. Okay, go back to Quartus. Now you can compile it. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, now it's compiled, and now we can go scroll down on this task thing and double click program device. So mine's already here, but what we're going to do is this. First, hardware setup, and you're going to plug in your board to your thing, to your computer using your cable, and it's going to be on no hardware normally, right? But you're going to click the one underneath it. So for me, it's the USB one, okay? And then you're just going to press close. And then auto detect. Okay, and then find your device here. So it's same on your chip. Mine is this one, yes. Okay. Okay, now you go here and you're gonna press change file and then go to the output files. So if you see multiple, by the way, it doesn't matter here. Change file. So once you go here, you're gonna press output files, first project, boom, and then you go here, click on it, program configure, and then start. And then, boom shakalaka, it works. And you should see a blinking light LED on your thing. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can just add more. You would just say clock is the same, but you add more out, like, okay. Alright, thanks for watching.